In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted Asana tasks. If you've ever accidentally deleted a task, or just need to retrieve a previously deleted item for reference, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and tackle this step by step. First off, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Asana's website. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Simply type in the email address associated with your Asana account, ensuring that you've entered it correctly to avoid any login issues. After that, go ahead and click Continue. Now you're going to be asked to enter your password. Type it with care and make sure it's the one you set up for your Asana account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, there's always an option to reset it. After you've correctly entered your password, proceed by clicking Login. This should take you directly to your Asana homepage. Once you're on your homepage, locate the search bar near the top of the page. Click on it to bring up the search options. You'll notice an option for advanced search. This feature is incredibly handy for narrowing down all sorts of data within Asana, and it will be particularly useful for what we're doing today. Click on advanced search to start customizing your search criteria. You'll then need to specify the type of item you're looking for. Since we're dealing with tasks, make sure to select task as your type. This helps to focus your search on the correct entity within Asana. Next, you'll want to adjust the location setting. Change this to anywhere to ensure that your search spans across your entire Asana workspace. This is crucial for capturing any deleted tasks, which may not be restricted to a specific project or section. Now here's the key part. Set the status of the task to deleted. Asana's advanced search allows you to specify this, which means you're explicitly asking to see tasks that have been removed. Finally, all that's left is to click on Search. As Asana works its magic, it will display a list of tasks that were previously deleted. From this list, you can review each task, restoring anything you may need to resurrect or simply investigate. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to find deleted tasks within Asana. This feature is a lifesaver if you ever need to recover lost information, and now you can confidently access your deleted tasks whenever the need arises. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.